A traumatic event can be any emotional or physical occurrence that is so out of place, so unfamiliar, that in the immediate moment, it registers in your body as life-threatening danger. Your chemicals, your hormones are so suddenly surging your body with stress that psychologically you create a pocket, a bubble for the specific experience, for the memory of the experience, and you file it for later handling. It's like a zip file in your muscle memory that you will only unpack once the immediate circumstances are relatively safe. Now, you don't have to go to war to experience post-traumatic states. I'm not talking about post-traumatic stress disorder, but you can have symptoms when your body, your muscle memory is trying to unzip that file, or some similar event reminds your muscle memory of that background noise that you haven't dealt with, and it just triggers a response, a post-traumatic response that will then release the same chemicals, the same surge of stress hormones in your body instantly. Therefore, you experience the same traumatic state of mind again and again and again. Now, our first traumatic experiences usually happen at such a ridiculously young age that even the slightest event can register as so out of place, so unfamiliar, that we can gather muscle memory around trauma from seemingly completely meaningless events. How can we unzip those files in a safe and conscious setting? In the previous step, in step 1, we started to go into timeline shifts. So that's what we're going to do. In step 2, on the 9th of January, Saturday, 4 p.m. Central European Time, you and I, should you wish to, are going to unzip a couple of files. We're not going to shock your system. We can choose a very mild, very low-key event that you would like to work with. But I would love to actually physically work with you on an emotional event that is still sitting in your muscle memory as a traumatic possible response, trigger response. Something that you haven't had the chance, the time, the opportunity to properly deal with and properly clear out of your system. So by the end of step 2, we are going to shift timelines incrementally, and you are literally not going to be the same person who started the session. Can't wait.